Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You wake up with more energy, your mind feels clear, your body feels lighter, stronger, capable. You're not guessing anymore. You're consistent, confident, in control. Now here's the truth. That future version of you is built by the choices you make today. Not perfection, not extreme plans, just small, intentional decisions, repeated daily, choosing nourishment over restriction, movement over excuses, support over silence. 6 months will pass no matter what. Will you meet that future version of yourself with pride or with regret? Your future self is watching. Start today. Build the body, build the habits, build the life you deserve. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more educational videos as we walk through this journey together.